Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your PC has Bluetooth. To quickly do that, just simple right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and you should find Device Manager. You can also search for it manually as well. Now, once you're inside the device manager, you should see Bluetooth. And if you see Bluetooth like I'm seeing right here, you can click and expand that. And you should see the wireless Bluetooth driver here. And here you can see Intel Wireless Bluetooth. And so this is going to tell you that Bluetooth is on my device. Now, if you want to know how to turn on Bluetooth and to search for a device, you can simply click the Windows key on your keyboard or laptop and simply type in Bluetooth and you should see Bluetooth and other devices settings. Once you click on that, it's going to open up Bluetooth on your computer, and right here you can simply turn this on. As you can see, mine is on, and it's going to go ahead and start the search for devices. If it's not searching for the devices, like you can see here, you can add the device manually, or you can just simply turn it off and turn it on. Ensure that your device is in pairing mode, and it's going to try to start a search for any Bluetooth device that it can find, or you can just add it manually and so forth. And you can choose, for example, Bluetooth. It's going to now try to force and scan for any Bluetooth devices that is available, and so from there you can go ahead and start adding your device. And that's it, guys. Very easy, very simple.